Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain polar and non-polar dielectric. First let me explain polar dielectric. Dielectrics are nothing but insulators. It may be atoms or it may be molecule. Let me consider a polar atom. In a polar atom, here is the nucleus, positive charge nucleus. Here is positive charge nucleus, and these are electrons. The center of gravity of the negative charge is not coincide with the center of gravity of positive charge nucleus. So in this diagram, this will be the center of gravity for the electrons, and this is the center of gravity for the positive charge. So it is polar. There will be dipole moment. If it is polar, the dipole moment is not zero. Okay. And on the other hand, nonpolar dielectrics. For nonpolar dielectrics, and their center of gravity coincide at this point. This is the center of gravity for the negative charges and also for the positive charges. So this will be a polar dielectric in which the total dipole moment is zero. Okay, let me give an example for polar dielectric. Let us consider H2O molecule, water, H2O. We have two bonds, two OH bonds, making angle 120 degree. This side will be electronegative, this side will be electropositive, negative, positive. And we know that the dipole moment, the direction of the dipole moment is from negative side to positive side. This is P, let it be P1, and this side, let it be P2. Here we have two dipole moments, or P2 along this and P1 along this, making angle 120 degree. This is direction of P1 and this is direction of P2. The resultant of these two can never be zero. Applying parallelogram law of vector addition, this will be the total dipole moment, P1 plus P2. It is not zero. So this is polar dielectrics. It has dipole moment, non-zero dipole moment. Okay. In case of non-polar dielectric, for example, carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, we have carbon at the center and oxygen double bond, two double bond, CO double bond. O is electronegative and this is electronegative, C is electropositive. Here we have two dipole moments, P1, let it be P1, and this be P2, negative to positive. they are equal and opposite. The angle between P1 and P2 is 180 degrees. They are equal and opposite, so the resultant will be 0. P1 plus P2 will be 0. So it is non-polar dielectrics. In this video, I'm going to explain polarization of dielectrics. Suppose this is a dielectric medium, dielectric atom, in which the center of gravity of electrons and positive charge are coincide. When a non-polar atom is subjected to an electric field, the positive charge nucleus gets pulled. See, if this is the direction of electric field, it is pulled towards this, towards along the direction of electric field, and negative charges are attracted in the opposite direction of the electric field, and the atom is stretched when we apply electric field, in the presence of electric field. So we can say that the center of gravity of electrons will be here, and this will be center of gravity of positive charges. This is center of gravity of negative charges. Here they do not coincide, so there will be a dipole moment. So it is polarized. The process is called polarization. Here we will have dipole moment. It means it is polarized. Thank you.